Hello! Kamusta po kayong lahat, mga madam and sir? Welcome back po dito si Angel Francia PH Tarot, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs, and of course to our cross watchers. Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, or gabi po sa inyong lahat. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs, in this video po, titignan natin kung ano ang magagandang balita na matatanggap ninyo sa loob ng 30 araw. Ayan. Wait lang mga madam ha. May ayusin lang ako. Wait lang po. So ayan, Taurus. Bago ako magsisimula, gusto ko lang i-announce na meron na po ang ating 2-in-1 spell jar. 2-in-1 financial blockages removal and money spell jar. Bakit 2-in-1? Kailangan, bago kayo maka-attract ng money, para maka-attract kayo ng money, of course, tanggalin muna natin yung mga blockages. Kasi kahit ano pang gawin yung pang-attract, no, ng mga pampaswerte, kahit ano pang suot-suot nyo, kahit ubusin, kahit bilhin nyo lahat ng mga amulets, pangpaswerte, pangpaswerte sa negosyo, or career, o ano pa man dyan, kung may mga blockages kayo, maging useless. Okay? So, ayan, 2-in-1. I-remove mo muna natin yung mga financial blockages, and then, of course, money spell jar. Kailangan nyo para pang-attract sa swerte. Actually, hindi swerte ito eh. Pang-attract ng money. Okay? Para tuloy-tuloy ang daloy sa inyong kaperahan. Okay? This is 850 pesos. Sa may gusto, message na ako. Okay? Ayan po siya. May kasamang ritual, of course, na gagawin. It takes 2 to tango here. Hindi yung pagkatapos kong dasalan, pagkatapos kong gawa ng ritual, okay na. Hindi ganyan ang work sa akin. Okay? Kailangan you do your part as well. Okay? So, ayan po. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising. Ay, meron pa pala tayong sa may gusto pang mag-avail ng ating napaka-powerful red bracelet. This is 700 pesos. Okay? Ayan. Meron na din tayong ancestral curse. Generational curse ancestral healing necklace. Pantanggal sa iyong sumpa sa iyong buong angkan. Kung ikaw, sa tingin mo ay yung may sumpa sa inyong angkan. Okay? Magkaiba to guys. Magkaiba ito. Okay? Iba yung financial blockages, iba yung sumpa. Yung sumpa, yung generational curse, yung mga paulit-ulit na sakit, na hindi mo maintindihan bakit hindi mawala-wala yung sakit. Kahit ano yan, magpunta sa doktor, recurring sickness or diseases, and kahit anong kahit anong pagpupursige, ang daming kamalasan sa buhay. Magulo ang pamilya, nag-away-away, may aksidente, basta magulo. Okay? Yan ang sumpa. And of course, 2-in-1, healing and protection sa kulam. Kung sa tingin mo ikaw ay nakulam, ayan. Bakit 2-in-1? Of course, mahalaga na may protection kayo, guys, mga madam and sir. Kasi, kahit ilang beses kang nagpagaling sa kulam, nagaling kayo, nagpagaling, pumunta kayo sa albularyo, ginaling kayo, wala ka namang panangga. So, makukulam ka na ulit. Paulit-ulit ka na lang pumunta sa albularyo. Ayan, itong buwan na to, nakulam ka, nagpatingin ka sa albularyo, nagpagamot ka, gumaling ka. The next month na naman, naulit na naman yung kulam sa'yo. Hindi matanggal-tanggal. Bakit? Wala kang protection walang panangga So, ganun din ito. O, diba? Para matapos na yung problema. Para pagkatapos kang gumaling, may protection ka na agad. O, hindi ka na, wala nang kulam na mangyayari. And of course, may ritual to na gagawin every month. Hindi yung pagkatapos mo nang isuot, bahala na yung powers ni Madam Angel. No, it's not. It takes 2 to tango here, okay? It takes 2. Tulungan tayo, guys. Ako at ikaw. Hindi Ako lang, okay? So, magdedepende yan sa disiplina mo din sa paggagawa mo ng ritual kung talagang madisiplina ka. Alright? So, ayan. Start na tayo. Taurus, pasensya na guys ha. May mens ako kaya medyo mainit ang ulo ko. Strong ang energy ko pag may mens ako. Ayan. But anyways, ayan. Palapit na ang mens ko. Spirit guides and angels, ano ang magagandang balita na matatanggap ng ating Taurus sa loob ng 30 araw. 30 days. Oh, you have the Lovers. Okay. I feel like sa loob ng 30 araw, tama ba? 30 days, within 30 days, Taurus, you are going to attract a lot. A lot of you are going to attract your soulmate, your twin flame. Okay? This is your, kumbaga, true soulmate. Your kindred spirit, no? Ayan. And twin flame. So, if namomblema kayo na sa love life, within 30 days from now, makikilala ninyo or mamimit ninyo or magkakaayos kayo ng yung soulmate or twin flame if naghiwalay kayo. Okay? Kakabalikan, something like that. Sa yung twin flame or soulmate. 2 of Pentacles. Ooh, you know what? I love this one. Kasi magiging busy kayo sa kaperahan mo. And it's good kasi wala kang ginagawa, 'di ba? Maganda na yung busy ka. Ibig sabihin, madaming blessings na darating. Madaming pera. Kaliwat kanan, opportunity na darating sa'yo. Kaliwat kanan ang opportunity na darating sa inyo. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Sa sobrang daming opportunity, mahirapan ka na i-balance ang time mo at ang oras mo. At ang, yun nga, priorities mo. Kasi, magiging busy ka eh. Ang daming mga calls, ang daming orders, ang daming pending orders, ang daming mga clients, ayan, kliyente. O, diba? This is good. Good news. Okay? Next, you have the Devil. You know what I see? Don't worry about this card. This means that if you were into dark, if may naglagay sa'yo ng dark energy, if may nagsumpa sa inyo, if may gumawa sa'yo ng mga dark, occult, or something, rituals, ibig sabihin, mabibreak free ka na dito. You'll be breaking free, mawawala na yung bind na yan, mawawala na yung attachment na yan. I really see that. Okay? Matatapos na yung paghihirap mo, matatapos na. This is a sign that within 30 days, matatanggal na yung mga ginawa sa inyo ng mga dark rituals or like black magic or something like that. Taurus, this is a good sign. Matatanggal na. Completely, totally within 30 days. Okay? Matatanggal na yung mga sumpa. Especially those sa mga nakabili sa akin. Okay? Sa mga nakabili sa akin. This is a sign, a confirmation na maalis na. This is a good message. Marireceive, matatanggap mo. And mafe-feel mo yan yung matatanggal na yung connection, yung dark connection, yung cord, cutting, it's called like cutting cords from this dark entity, dark energy, maalis na yan. And if may mga, sa iba naman na hindi nakabili ng aking ancestral, ito mga items na to, ibig sabihin naman nito sa inyo is, kung may mga addiction ka or may mga problema sa family mo, mga dark, tawag nito, dark energy, like pag-aaway, paggugulo, like if you're obsessed with someone and if you feel na may mga toxic behavior ka, dark behaviors, matatanggal na yan. Like bisyo, abuse, if you have been into abuse, may nag-umaabuso sa inyo, ayan, mawawala na within 30 days. You will be free from this attachment, dark, abusive attachments. Okay? You will free from this darkness. Page of Swords. You will receive a good news. Makakatanggap kayo ng news. Okay? Within 30 days. some information that would lighten you up, some information, makatanggap kayo ng news na makakapagbigay liwanag sa'yo sa sitwasyon mo, sa isang sitwasyon mo. Magbibigay, alam mo yun, like, maliliwanagan ka sa isang sitwasyon. Tandaan mo yan, Taurus. Makakatanggap ka ng news or balita, makaka-receive ka ng information na magbibigay sa'yo ng kaliwanagan sa isang sitwasyon sa buhay mo. Something like that. Next, you have the High Priestess. Malapit ka sa loob ng 30 days, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements and cross watchers, if nanonood ka. This High Priestess means that you have a very special connections with the divine spirit. You are being protected. A lot of you right now, Taurus, within 30 days, sa loob ng 30 days, you are going to be protected from the divine spirits and mga spirit guides. Malapit ka sa mga spirit guides just sa loob ng 30 days, within these days. Okay? It's really good. Three of Pentacles. There is a lot of teamwork. Magkakasundo-sundo ang mga dapat na magkasundo with regards to your business team. If you have a team, basta may magkasundo-sundo na, like, hindi na magulo kagaya dati. Magkakaayos na. May teamwork na. You will feel the commitment coming from people. You will feel that people are very committed to you. That's good news for you. Next. A lot of changes is happening in your life within 30 days, Taurus. Okay? A lot of good changes. Good changes. Wow! Okay. A lot of people will be drawn to you. Some people will ask for forgiveness. Some people will find you really, you will draw a lot of people. If you are starting, if may business ka, may simulang kang business, it will draw a lot of people with this Two of Cups. If you are planning to start something new in your life, this is a good sign. This is a message that go for it. Go, start taking action now towards the changes that you want in your life, because you're heading towards a new chapter, Taurus. Beautiful life, beautiful chapter. See, there's a cloud here. Parang binigyan ka ng go signal na, okay, you're good to go. Just go wherever you want to go and do whatever you want to do. Okay, I'm giving you a go signal that life, they're clearing your path towards a new life. Clearing your path. Okay? This is really good. Big change is happening for you. Starting today and within 30 days, you will feel that energy. A lot of you will feel very inspired to do something that you really, really love. With regards to finances, with regards to your well-being, with regards to your community, with regards to a lot of people will find you, a lot of people will be really good to you. Madami mga tao na gustong-gusto ka nila and parang mafe-feel mo na you feel the love of a community or family, or you will find a tribe where you belong. That's what I feel here. There's a new beginning waiting for you, Taurus. If I were you, I grab this. I take this opportunity to start something for your life. Big changes happening for you. Okay, you will free from any dark attachments in the past. Dark energy releasing. You will be releasing a lot of toxic, negative energies in your life. Okay, I tell you, this is really good. So, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs, yan po ang mga magagandang balita na matatanggap ninyo sa loob ng 30 days. Maraming salamat. Huwag kalimutang mag-comment sa baba. Let me know if nagra-resonate sa inyo. And if ever naman na hindi, lobat ng ating jellyfish tank. Patayin natin. If ever naman na hindi, you can still claim. You claim this power, this big changes, this happy news. Okay? Ayan. So, I'll see you next time po. Ingat And maraming salamat. God bless. And I'll see you next time. Paalam!